Hi, folks. I'm just doing a quick unboxing, installation, and I guess review of shift knob I just got from Billetworkz, uh, which is located in Pennsylvania. Um, the shift knob that I got from them is called the Sledge. I believe it's a 400 gram weighted knob. Anyway, enough talking. Let's see what this thing looks like. Nice packaging. Let's get that foam out of the way. Business card. Billetworkz.com. Go check them out. Holy mackerel. That's heavy. That's awesome. All right, let's get the box out of the way. Let's see. How do I... Okay. Whoop, there we go. This thing is massive. Feels good in the hand. That's a beauty. I got it with the 10 by 1 1/4 thread for my 2016 Mazda 3 GT. As I said before, this is a Sledge, anodized in red with the black paint splash pattern. My car is red, and eventually I'd like to black out all the chrome elements on the outside. So I figured, why not start with the shift knob. This thing's a beast. It's got a good weight to it. Put it in the sun here so you can see it a little better. That's really nice. Fits in the hand nicely. Alright, let's get this thing installed, shall we? Whoop. Pardon my pinky finger there. So we just twist off the... Oh, maybe what I should do is show a size comparison. There we go. So it's quite a bit shorter than the stock knob. I imagine it's much heavier too, of course. Just twist this off. Simple as that. And thread the new one on. There we go, that's it. Easy as pie. I'll have to do something about the shift knob. The shift boot, I mean. A bit of a gap there. Next project, I guess. Give it a little spin around here. That's nice. That's gorgeous. I love it. Still allows you to push in for the reverse, as you would expect. Feels a little easier to push into each gear, as you would expect with the added weight. I love it. So yeah, billetworkz.com. was a reasonable price, especially considering I'm Canadian and I had to convert US dollars into Canadian and add international shipping and all that, and it was still quite reasonable for a aluminum weighted knob. I love it. Feels good. With this being aluminum, I'm sure it'll be a bitch in the summer. I'll have to find something to cover it up for those long days parking in the sun, I'm sure. Anyway, yeah, so that's it. That's the Sledge aluminum weighted shift knob from Billetworkz.com. I'll put a link in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.